what is the gravity in Clickbank? Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see what it is. So on Clickbank, when you are hovering around and checking different products out, you will be able to find this option of gravity score. Some products might have higher than 100 and some might even have 500 or more than 500, while there are some products which are lower than 100. Like some products just have 50 or maybe even lesser than this. Some products just have 34. So how does it make a difference and what is it all about? So basically this gravity score shows you the popularity of a particular product and each unique sale that is being made by that particular product. So the higher the gravity score is, which means that higher the popularity of that particular product is. This is what it is all about. But this should not be the measure of promoting a particular product, as it involves some strategies to promote a particular product. If you go for a highly popular product, like just based on the gravity score, then you should also think about it that there are many experienced affiliate marketers who are also doing affiliate marketing in those products. So the competition is going to be higher on higher gravity score products. So it's better to create your own strategy and work according to it. So this was all about gravity score. I hope this video was helpful for you. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.